Struggling with shaky rides and messy dashboards? The best tablet mount for car could change everything. Imagine your tablet staying rock solid, hands-free, no distractions. But most mounts fail miserably. Curious why top drivers swear by this solution? Don't settle for less. Unlock smooth, safe, and perfect viewing on every trip with the ultimate mount. Let's start. Number 5. SDPRYXGS New Generation Scalable and Rotatable 15-Watt Dual-Coil Wireless Car Charger redefines in-car charging for tablets and smartphones. Offering dual-coil fast charging up to 15 watts for Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Flip, S, Note, and iPhone 8 17 series. With one-click 90 degrees rotation, it seamlessly switches between vertical navigation and horizontal entertainment. Strong compatibility supports 90% of car vents, including vertical, horizontal, and circular styles. Charge effortlessly with cases on. Enjoy magnetic secure hold, smart supercapacitor protection, and Type-C connectivity. Designed for performance, safety, and durability. Number 4. Delobon Car Phone Holder Mount is a game changer for foldable phones and tablets. Designed to securely hold Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, Google Pixel Fold, and iPhones from 8 to 16 series. Crafted with high-strength aluminum alloy, it ensures durability and stability without shaking or loosening over time. The gravity-adaptive clamp allows effortless one-handed operation, while the 360-degree rotating ball head lets you switch between horizontal and vertical screens seamlessly. With easy air vent installation, ultimate safety, and multi-angle adjustability, this mount transforms your in-car experience instantly. Number 3. JDHDL Wireless Car Charger Mount offers 15 watts fast wireless charging with a dual-coil design, powering most phones quickly. Galaxy Z Fold 6 in 4 hours, Pixel 8 Pro in 3 hours, iPhones in 3.5 hours. Its auto clamp senses and secures your phone effortlessly, even after the car is off, while one-touch 90-degree rotation allows easy vertical or horizontal placement. Compatible with foldables and phones over 5.9 inches. It includes the charger, vent mount, car charger, 3.3-foot cable, and user manual, with safety features like short-circuit protection and automatic off, delivering convenience, durability, and fast charging on the go. Number 2. DICMKY Wireless Car Charger is a game-changer for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series and Pixel 9 Pro Fold, offering dual-coil technology for precise wireless alignment and ultra-fast 15-watt charging. Its auto-clamping sensor ensures one-handed operation, keeping your tablet or large foldable phone secure even on bumpy roads. The one-click rotary button effortlessly switches between vertical and horizontal screens, while the wide adjustable arm, 142 to 180 millimeters, fits tablets too. Enjoy safe driving, seamless navigation, and unmatched convenience with this durable, high-performance car mount. Number 1. ANPULES Wireless Car Charger is a game-changer for Galaxy Z Fold users, delivering seamless dual-coil fast charging while you drive. This charger features intelligent automatic coil sensing, auto-clamping arms, and a built-in supercapacitor that keeps releasing your phone even after the engine is off. With versatile installation via air vent or suction cup and 360-degree swivel adjustment, it offers optimal viewing for GPS and calls. Its soft silicone grips protect your device, supporting all Qi-enabled phones from 11.6 to 18 centimeters, ensuring durability, safety, and convenience on every ride.